And you get to see the only nitromethane burning all funny car on the property this weekend. And it's not that one. Mick Steele's team, they're having a hard time getting the body latched on that race car. You can see him still working on it. He's not rolled forward for the burnout. I don't think they're going to get the body down. And Phil Burkart's already back from the burnout. That Jay Blake Follow a Dream team. And they are about ready to tell Mick Steele to shut it down. Will they get it down? No, they're already telling him to shut it off. Mick Steele, they could not get the body latched on that injected nitro car, so after Mick went 551, the quickest run an injected nitro funny car is made, he doesn't get to make the second run as they couldn't get the body latch. And Phil Burkart, number 6 qualifier right now, the Follow the Dream machine. They're still setting the wheelie bar on that race car. The Mick Steele team's a little upset because Phil wasn't like ready to go the second they shut him off. But here's Phil. With a good looking run. 550 with a 1, 266. Phil Burkart makes an improvement up to the number 5 spot. 5.501, 266.3 miles per hour. A good, strong run from the Follow a Dream team. Just missed, dipping into the 40s. So Phil Burkart goes to number 5. Mick Steele gets bumped back a spot.